So in this video, we're going to go over how to set up some elements of the duct system so that it can automatically connect things. So I have already added a main trunk and a VAV unit here, and we're going to set it up so when you automatically model that duct, it automatically connects the main trunk and the diffusers that we've already placed. I will say that, probably this method of doing it isn't the most, I guess, elegant, and I'm sure a mechanical contractor will do a better job of it than I will. But I think it's a good methodology just to kind of get stuff modeled. So if you go into Systems and you click your duct there, and you go under Edit Type, and then you click Routing Preferences, if you actually populate all these categories with things, and you just need to load in the different fitting types that we have here. So I've loaded in a few already. Rounded elbow, junction type is T. You want to have a union. I don't have a cap, but we probably should load in a cap. Transition is very important. So now when we go to actually modeling this, we can select here and here, and it will automatically place and connect those elements. So I'm just going to do that quickly for all of these. So now that you have all of your ducts run to your diffuser, we just want to make sure there's a cap on the end of this run. So I'm just going to add a cap here. If you haven't loaded a cap in, there's a cap. It's under ducts, fittings, round, caps, and then I'm loading this end cap in there. So I'm just going to place that cap there. Once we're done, you can double tap, or you can hold your mouse over there and use the tab key to select your whole run. Revit does this. It can actually taper the ducts. It's probably not incredibly accurate, but visually I think it helps with understanding how the system works. And so that will taper your run all the way down to the last duct. I think right here what we're having is a problem with the inlets, or the outlet size there. So what I'm going to do is we could actually change that in here. So I'm just actually going to go maybe do size 5, 16-inch, and then I'm going to tap all these ducts again and go to duct pipe and sizing and resize it, and it should fix itself. Maybe not. But anyways, you get the point. I actually tried doing it on the other side, transitioning from rectangular to round, and that seemed to work pretty well. So that's just a little tip on setting that up. And as you do this stuff, you want to make sure that you update the routing standards with all the different pieces in here. So we just added the cap, so making sure the cap's there, and add a transition piece and all that kind of stuff.